welcome to another video. See sun in the back there, which means I am in Trinidad. I know the last video you saw on this channel, maybe a month or two ago, is me going back to Jamaica. But as you can see, I'm missing some here. With a little turkey in the back. The guys in Trinidad who know what this means. So an uncle of mine passed away. I was close to him, so of course I needed to come back and support the family. So that's why I'm now here, back in Trinidad. I only spent like a week and a half in Jamaica before I needed to get back. It's that time of the year in Trinidad. It's in February month. We have an early carnival this year. We're in Eastgate Mall and we're seeing a mask. That looks like a king mask from maybe last year or the year before that they brought. And they're decorating. Carnival time again, so I'm going to show you guys some carnival flavor. Alright, let's go. So I am back around the Savannah. This is the stretch by Napa. That's Napa behind us, you can see it. So right across the road is the Queen's Park Savannah, which is the heart of Carnival in Trinidad, especially Port of Spain. You see the big ads and all the booths that they put up for the carnival revelers, and of course, like me, going up to carnival, you could still right now go and stop and get some food and drinks and that kind of. There are other things happening there. There is the grandstand, panorama happens there, the masquerade, the King and Queens. You guys saw that last year. I might try to get some more of that this year. A lot of action here, and it's still the week before carnival. Carnival is a good 5 days away, I think. I just thought I'll show you guys as I'm back here around the Savannah, close to carnival time. It just so worked out. It's the Wednesday night before carnival next week, and we're going down to Flava, which I think is the Carnival Village. It has a lot of food and whatnot, and we're going to check it out. But tonight also is the big King and Queen mass, so we're going to try to sneak a peek at that also. If we look in the distance there, that's the King and Queens. You see the mass there? That's them over there. Alright, so we're in front Flava, Carnival culinary experience. The Carnival Village is somewhere else, but I think it's close tonight. So we're going to head in. Oh, they're already heading in. Let's go. Flava, that's where we are.
Let me check some of the details. It says blanket and Flava Village. Put your hands together. Make some noise. VIP, make some noise. I don't want to do it. I am a nice man, and I believe what you say.
Are we looking through, looking at the different food? It has a lot of different kind of food. You can get bacon shark, corn soup, cowheel soup. I've seen all kind of different things. Pepper wings, saltfish pulori, or akra. That is not akra, saltfish pulori. All kind of different, like the Indian delicacies and stuff. You can get all that. It's a good way to show all the different flavors that Trinidad have, all the different kind of food we have. So yeah, I see they're selling corn dogs, so I might go and try that. Get noodles over here, pizza over there, up there is doubles. See them have a line by the doubles man, of course. Let me see over here. I seen by the grilled chef. I can see now they can even get jerk chicken. Lord Father, jumbo pastel. It isn't good? Okay, I'm sure, I am sure. Right, so that was flavor. I bought some jerk chicken. It was pretty good. It was cooked really well. It could do with a little more the jerk flavor, but it was really good. We're now heading out and we're going to see what else we could see. Alright, so we came out of Flava and we walk around and we're walking around. That's Flava right there. That's the back of the booths. Last year we came here and we saw some of the kiddie masks in these tents. Those tents I'm talking about. And we're seeing masks here. Whoa. Damn. Excellent, excellent. See that talent? You guys see that little child with the Moko Jambi keeping the culture alive? Amazing, amazing. he'll give the results for the junior mass, and then they will go up. So he has a long wait, hours, before they go forward. That's the grandstand, that's the stage, and those are the queens lined up, as you can see. So we just walk down to the side and we're able to see the queens as they line up. Take a look and enjoy it. I'm always glad that we could get to see it. We didn't go on the grandstand. It's so beautiful. This is a king. So he's getting ready to go and join the others in the back by the stage. They're opening up the gate for him to go where? Yeah, behind the scenes stuff. That is one of the better ones I see. You see the depth? Blue Devil. Last one. Right, so we were able to get in to the back where they have all of them lined up, and we're seeing all the different masks. Check these things out. Amazing. So I'll show you guys. Here we have a kind of tiger. It's a bat. Continue to walk around the back, and you see the steps there because of the height of the Mokojambi. They're dressing them on the step. Nice little detail there. You had to keep moving. Nice. Wow, 13? Damn. Yeah, they just had to keep moving else it go fall. Something hook up and Tiffany got involved, so Tiffany could say she played a direct hand in Carnival this year. So glad I got in. Someone recognized me from YouTube, and through that I was able to kind of get into the back and see all of this for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of direct preview of all of these King and Queen masks.
This is my favorite.
I can't believe we're this close. That's the stage right there. They're sitting on the stage. That's the other mask waiting to go up. Starting to line up to go on stage. This is the last queen, the one with the kind of foul head, which I think might win, going up on stage. There she is moving to go up on stage right where we were just now. Amazing. I'm so thankful that I got to get into the back here to show you guys behind the scenes and the mass close up. We're pretty tired, else we would have stayed and get everything, but I think we got a lot of shots showing you guys the mass, the King and Queens up close and personal, and we got right up on the stage. So really glad we came down. Tiffany always takes me around, I always appreciate it. And Carnival continues. Yeah.